The holiday is hard to believe, but they're here, they're upon us, and that means getting together with family and friends. It also means, well, the germs, they're here. Dr. Shady Salib, an internal medicine physician and the former chief of staff for Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center, is joining us now to talk about how to try to stay healthy during the holidays. First off, thanks for coming in.
Hi, Tori. How are you?
I'm good. So the flu shot. We've heard experts and doctors suggesting getting it for a while now. Is it worth trying to get it right now, even though the holidays are so close?
You know, I think it's a good time to bring this up and raise the awareness that the flu season is here, and we're seeing the numbers are rising. Last year we had a very good season because COVID took over. Now influenza wants to come back and take a share of the market, if you would. Holidays, winter, it's getting cooler. This is all good environment for the influenza vaccine to grow. And we're trying to raise awareness that not all infections are going to be COVID. Some of them are going to be the flu. And it would be a good idea to start getting your vaccine now before the Christmas gatherings, the New Year's parties, and people getting together now that we're opening up.
And sort of just like last year, there have been some fears about, the double whammy of COVID and flu. Is that why doctors continue to urge vaccinations for both?
I think it's a good idea, and the majority of us, about 70%, have been vaccinated with COVID, and we kind of put the flu on the back burner. And I think it's a good idea to remember that you don't want to get sick with COVID, vaccinated or not, and also get a flu on top of it. That will complicate things more. As you know, symptoms can overlap: runny nose, sore throat, low-grade fever, cough, yellow phlegm. All of this stuff can confuse us between having the flu or having COVID.
Also, a lot of questions now about the Omicron variant and the holiday gatherings, the get-togethers. Should people be changing their plans or just stick to what you're doing?
No, I wouldn't say change plans. I think if we are careful, we still follow what we've been trained to do for the last almost 2 years now. We'll keep our distance, make sure we wash our hands, and I can't say use masks all the time, but if we're indoors, we should try to stay outdoors if it's a big gathering. And if you feel uncomfortable, you can always keep your mask on, and that will provide an extra layer of protection.
Thanks for all the good advice. Hope you have a safe and healthy holidays yourself.
All right.